Hello friends, welcome to a new episode of STRATINDIA.
Recent events in the South Caucasus have highlighted an overlooked development in the global weapons market, the rise of India as a global arms exporter. Armenia has purchased a variety of made-in-India munitions including anti-tank guided missiles, Pinaka multiple launch rocket systems and long-range artillery amid ongoing tensions with Azerbaijan, a close ally of Pakistan and Turkey. On July 26th, Azerbaijani Presidential Foreign Policy Advisor Mr. Hikmat Hajiev met Indian Ambassador Mr. Sridharan Madhusudan, informing him that the Azerbaijani government was closely following and increasingly concerned about deepening military cooperation between Armenia and India. Hajiev also urged India to revise its decision to supply weapons to Armenia, as supplying lethal weaponry while Yerevan and Baku are holding peace treaty discussions paves the way for Armenia's militarization and impedes the establishment of lasting peace and security in the South Caucasus. Armenia and Azerbaijan have been engaged in a conflict over the control of the Nagorno-Karabakh region that resulted in a 45-day war in September 2020. A peace deal was brokered by Russia to put an end to the fighting till 2022, when frequent ceasefire violations escalated into another 2-day conflict in September, followed by scattered instances of border clashes. Armenia has recently placed an order for 90 units of ATAGS systems from Defence Systems or Bharat Forge, which is equivalent to $155 million. Defence Systems has delivered 6 units of ATAGS to Armenia recently. The contract outlines the phased shipment of additional 84 ATAG guns over the next 3 years. New Delhi's emergence as a defense exporter is relatively recent. While India currently remains the world's leading arms importer, it has taken significant steps not only to diversify its defense procurement strategy but also to export weapons to over 80 countries, with the United States as a prominent customer. The Pinaka MLRS, developed by India's Defence Research and Development Organization, is often considered as a counterpart to the American HIMARS systems. Moreover, Indian companies have received orders from major US defense firms to supply parts for advanced weapons platforms, including Chinook and Apache helicopters. The Armenian export orders, which include Pinaka MLRS, artillery, and various caliber ammunitions along with other systems, have further boosted India's 2023 weapon exports. Besides the fragile de facto truce in South Caucasus, the other bothering point is that the Indian arms transited through the heavily sanctioned Iran, being delivered through the Iranian port of Bandar Abbas on the Persian Gulf and then overland road trip to the Nurduz border crossing to Armenia. Due to Russia-Ukraine war, Russia is unable to meet the demands of weapon supply requirements of the third world countries. To fill the void slowly and steadily, India is stepping in to meet the above requirements. Armenia has turned to India to beef up its defenses with the purchase of multiple military systems amid continuous tension with Azerbaijan. Armenia is also eyeing more defense deals with India, including procurement of drones, counter-drone measures, and loitering munitions, besides mid-range surface-to-air missile systems like ATAGS developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization. India is now graduating to making weapons, arms, ammunitions, warships, and planes for the international market and also for its own use. India's defense export have increased tenfold in the last 6 years, as per the Ministry of Defence data. Defense export reached an all-time high of 15,918 crores in fiscal year of 2022 and 23, a 24% increase from the previous years of export of 12,815 crore. Make in India in defense equipment manufacturing is no more an elusive mirage. New Delhi is emerging as a supplier of international arms manufacturers and correspondingly is making more equipments for itself.
Thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and write your views and suggestions in the comments box. Jai Hind.